Have y'all ever done an eating challenge to win a keyboard before? I don't think so. So I participated in an eating challenge 3 years ago, and the top 5 fastest times gets the opportunity to buy the keyboard, and I was the 5th fastest time. Let me show you. So it was a McDonald's eating challenge. Here, let's go through it.
So I'm eating 15 challenge. The McDouble, 20 chicken nuggets, an apple pie. They only had one, so I had to replace it with 2 cookies right here. Fries, and then Coke. I think that's everything. So
Okay, I know it says Burger King, and I know my hair is fucking rancid, but this was back when Aaron was cool, so no haircut to look like Aaron. But yeah, it's McDonald's. Bam, let's have a look. Woo, I'm eating. Wow. Oh my god, look fucking big back as hell. And yep, I finished these things right here within 7 minutes. Now to show y'all the keyboard, it looks really goofy, but bam. So these keycaps didn't come with the keyboard. I just thought it matched. It's called Greg. But yeah, look, you can see the McDonald's logo. This is a matching Ronald McDonald keycap that I got that was extra. And the back is really cool. So you can see those. Yeah, just a chill red keyboard. And yeah, I had to be in an eating challenge for this, and even though I won, I still have to pay for it. And what's crazy is that you can literally buy this keyboard for the same exact price that I got it for, and those motherfuckers did not get top 5 in eating challenge, so I kind of just like, yeah, but this is my baby. I probably won't ever sell it because I had to earn it, even though people can buy it for the same price, and you know, I get shot back. Okay, let me show you how typing. God, why am I joking? Oh no. But yeah, that's the story of how I got my keyboard. It's called the MC65. I know McDonald's is canceled right now, but this was back when McDonald's was cool, and